C10 build. We already got the rear end removed, all the rivets blown off. Now we're doing demo on the front suspension. Gonna go with the QA1 and wheel wood brakes, control arms, uppers and lowers, sway bar. All right, I'm gonna demo all this out. All right, front suspension has been removed. Everything's been cut. There's no need to waste time fighting these old bolts. It's getting all new hardware. Upper control arm bracket has been removed and it will be replaced with a QA1 bracket. But before we can start any assembly, we have to cut a access hole at the top of here, clean all the grime, paint the frame, and then we can start assembly. And I'll keep you posted.
Man, this thing here's clean. I didn't see under the hood last time. Oh, that's nice, man. It's another project here under construction. Real clean two-tone. Got an LS swap. Nice clean setup. Super clean. Super clean. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man, that looks good. That looks really good. Super clean. Nice wheel wood setup. Man, look at that. That is sweet. Another look here. Good angle shot. That looks good. As you probably recall from a previous video, we dropped the vehicle off at the shop so that we can have the custom suspension and fabrication done, and also the disc brake upgrade. So I just got a call that there has been some progress made, and I'm here right now at the shop to take a look at what's been done. Is this our rear end? Is this okay?
That's this one. Yeah, I already got the axles on order.
Okay.
Some of the parts came in for the unit.
Okay.
But I'm gonna take it to go get a pressure wash.
Oh, nice. Okay.
And yeah, get up. Man, it had layers of grime on it.
Really?
Yeah. I mean,
you think it's the original one?
Yeah, it's original.
It's the original?
Yeah, it's original.
Do you think it's ever been serviced?
I doubt it.
Probably not, huh?
No.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, but on the new unit, 373 gears, and it's a 30 spline.
Okay.
The originals are 28.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, so it'll be posse, but a 30 spline.
Right. Now when you say posi, is that kind of the same as like limited slip, or what is that?
It'll burn out with both.
Okay, both. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah. And then have you already measured for the cut, or?
Yeah, it's gonna be 1 inch per side.
1 inch per side?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. 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 One of those wheel cylinders was leaking.
Yeah, that was this side.
It was this
the
side.
Passenger side.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all wet.
Yeah. Yeah. So you said what you've done so far is the front, right?
Yeah, the front's complete.
The front's complete. Okay.
Yeah. The only thing, the sway bar is back ordered to January 18th.
Okay.
We're not shipped to the 18th.
Oh wow.
The brakes are huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that, like a 13?
It's 14.
14?
Yeah.
Good night. Wow. So that's a 14 with a 6-piston. Wow. Just huge. QA1. Tubular upper and lower. Oh yeah. Yeah. That looks good. That looks good. Wow. Man, I tell you. Look at it from the top there. Yeah, that's clean. Oh yeah, there we go. That's much better. Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks good, man. That looks good. Nice and shiny. I like it. Like it, yeah. Yep, yes indeed.
Yes. Over here, these are gonna be the leaf bars.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. 4 of these are for yours. The other 4 for another truck I'm working on.
Okay.
And, this is the frame bracket that replaces the original leaf spring bracket.
Oh, wow.
That lets you fit the 2415. Oh, sorry. 2415 in the rear.
I got you. Okay. Man.
I like the QA1 kit, but you can't do more than 12.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So on the QA1, that really, like you said, it's only good for like a 12 inch.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, because I installed a 12 inch. A QA1 rear kit. It's pretty much you take off the original bracket, you put a template up there, you cut, and it just bolts up.
Oh, okay.
And it has the notch, these brackets, everything in one.
Right.
And but you can't go more than a 12.
Wow. So what do you use for 15s then?
This kit.
Okay, so I got you.
Yeah,
So this is your own.
Yeah, this is my
your own. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
Man, those wells are clean, man. Look at you, man. Look at you. And what are these called again?
Those are the leaf bars.
The leaf bars. Okay, this is part of the 4-link
Yeah.
suspension, right? Okay.
Yeah, it's gonna be a ladder bar kit.
Ladder. Okay.
2 bars per side and then a panhard bar.
Gotcha. And then there's a bushing that goes into here.
Yeah, I got it over here. I got all these bushings.
Oh,
and
yeah.
It has an inner sleeve.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Dope.
Yeah. It just
There you go. So yeah, there you go. That's cool, man. That's cool. Man, you should market this thing, man. You should make these and then market them.
And then this is for the other end. It's an adjustable. It's a Heim joint, and it's adjustable, so you can change the pinion.
Gotcha. Yeah, that makes sense. Wow. Yeah. And what? I know this is steel, but what is it like?
It's carbon steel.
Carbon steel.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Is this one ours? Is this the one we're doing in ours? That looks good, man.
Yeah, all that right there is yours.
I like that black. The black on black looks nice. This is the proportioning valve, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. QA1. Man, you're online, man. That freaking rotor is huge. But I can just imagine it's huge. I know his is huge. If it got 14s.
Well, these are 14s too, but I think his they're thicker.
They're thicker. Okay. Thicker. Okay, gotcha. So these are 14s.
Yeah, these are 14s.
These are 14s.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, because he was like, man, those look bigger. Like, man, we measured, they're both 14s.
Yeah. Yeah.
But those calipers are bigger.
Yeah.
They're way beefier.
Yeah. You're thicker.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So, yeah, whenever you get a chance, if you can pull those parts together, man, because I'm gonna start just buying stuff and setting it aside. You know, I may need a little bit more time. I may, and I know you got a list of cars in front of me anyway, so that gives me time anyways. But I'll pace myself and just buy parts and kind of stockpile everything.
Yeah, because for next year, I'm gonna stock the QA1 kits.
Okay.
I'm already gonna have them in stock.
Yeah, that'll be sweet.
On you said you wanted the same setup as C10 Nando, right?
Yeah.
So because on his setup he has a small doghouse.
Okay.
And my buddy was telling me, because he knows him, my buddy was telling him that his still hits.
Really?
A little bit.
Okay.
So I'm gonna do yours like that red and white truck.
That's cool.
And you can go way lower than.
Nice. You said you got parts for this truck too, or is that what you were saying? You said you had some parts that came in, or are you talking about our truck?
No, this one. He just brought the brake kit.
Oh, he did Bear.
He did Bear, and they're 14s all the way around.
Ooh, 14-inch rotors.
Yeah.
I'm assuming 6 piston.
6 piston. The calipers. We had the one of these calipers right there next to the wheel wood, and it's way bigger.
Wow. I bet that bear stuff is a lot more expensive too.
Not really.
Really?
Yeah. He got the whole thing. Well, he got it on special because he was at a car show.
Okay.
And then they had the Black Friday sale.
Oh, nice. Ooh, that's pretty. That's just pretty. Get a shot of that. Yeah, that's just pretty.
Yeah, it's something else. This is the first time installing one of their kits.
Yeah. Let me know what you think, man.
Yeah, well, the thing is, he wanted 14s he might as well do the 4Gs in the rear.
Right.
It covers most of the wheel on the inside.
I bet. Rotor, bro. And these are 24s, right?
24, yeah.
24.
Yeah. On the 22, it covers most of the wheel. The 24, it leaves a little bit more space.
Right. And this is 24 by 12. Oh, excuse me. 24 by 12 also, right?
12,
yeah. Yeah. He's got a different offset than we got on ours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think on those I had a narrow like 4 1/4 inches.
Oh, these are his fenders.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all his.
I didn't bend this, did I?
No, I do. I hit that thing so many times.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
What's this thing here for?
Which one?
This right here.
That's a pipe bender.
Oh, okay. I see it now. Yeah. I see the little valley here. Okay.
That's what I used to. Whenever I make 2-wheeler control arms, I bend them there.
Nice. Nice. Okay. Yeah.
Because I've been working on it for a while, but I stopped because it's a lot of work. But I'm working on making my own kit like the QA1.
Hell yeah.
So I don't have to.
Hell yeah. Yeah. Hell yeah.
I already have the upper bracket. I just need the. I already have a template for the upper control arms.
Right.
It's the lower that's the problem.
Right. Right.
But man, I just have no time to sit there and play with anything because
I understand.
I just got, I think, what was it? The last 3 days was 4 more trucks.
Holy.
For beginning of the year, yeah.
So you got a waiting list, in other words.
Yeah.
Wow.
And right now I'm working on getting a shop.
What's this guy here?
That's it bends sheet metal.
Okay. Okay.
And this one cuts it.
That cuts it. That bends it. And then what's this one here?
That's the shrinker stretcher.
Shrinker stretcher. Okay.
And then the one in the back, that gold looking one, that's the bead roller.
Bead roller. Okay, I've heard that one before. I've seen that on.
And then I got the English wheel back there.
Oh, damn.
Yeah,
So,
that one I'm not very familiar with. I use it very little.
So the English wheel, doesn't that do some of what the bead roller does also, kind of, sort of, or no? Or it thins it out?
Yeah, but you make contours with
Contours, okay, yeah. I've seen like on what is it, Bitch and Rides, where they use a lot of these tools.
Yeah, you could use those for motorcycles. those are for making gas tanks and fenders.
Yes, yeah, because a lot of that those custom pieces they make on Bitch and Rides, they use that. Is this? I keep hitting it, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Same thing,
Is this also a pipe bender? What is this?
that was for flat strip.
Okay.
Yeah, I bent flat strip and round bottom with that. I don't use that for cars. That's for like when I build fences and stuff like that. Gotcha. Gates.
And then this is a cutting machine, right?
Plasma table. Yeah.
Plasma table. Yeah, that's what I meant to say.
Yeah, that's what I used to cut all the brackets.
Damn.
I just cut all those parts for the other 3 trucks that are coming.
Wow. Yeah, that's.
But I just need to get more organized because I don't have enough room here.
Yeah.
The shop I want to go look at. It's 60 by 100.
Holy shit. That's a big space, bro.
Yeah, it's real close by, like 5 miles away.
I know the rent ain't gonna be cheap. I know that. Space that big.
The only reason we're getting it is because it's so cheap.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
And I'm actually sharing half with the friend's dad.
Oh, really? Okay. So this plasma table, would you buy this new, or did you
I bought all the electronics.
Okay.
And I built the structure.
Oh, really? Okay, yeah. So you built this table.
Yeah, I built this. Yeah.
Okay.
This thing's so old. I built this in 2012.
Really?
Yeah,
okay.
And it's still going.
And then all this stuff here, all the automated stuff.
Yeah, this and this box right here is the main thing.
Okay.
That's what tells it the controller. It tells it which way to move.
Gotcha.
And then this is the most important thing, because whenever you're cutting metal, it starts to move up and down.
Okay.
Warp, that thing keeps the same gap.
Oh, really?
It moves. I mean, it's very little, but it moves.
Right.
It makes a big difference.
Okay. That's good to know. And then this arm you got right here, is this like for really heavy parts?
That's for loading the sheets, because I keep the sheets underneath.
Okay.
Because that sheet's about 500 pounds, and
really?
You ain't picking it up by hand.
That's what?
Yeah.
One of these sheets is 500 pounds?
Yeah, it's around 500, I think.
Damn.
Yeah, you ain't not even 2 people, man. It's 316 plate. It's a 4x8 sheet.
Wow.
Might be 400 and something pounds, but it's heavy.
And you do all this by yourself? Like you're pretty much a one-man show, right?
Yeah. This cart rolls out, and I put it up over there. I just back up the truck and then throw the sheet from the truck to that cart.
Right.
And then I roll it back in here, and then I just pull it from the side, hook up the chains, and lift it up.
That's crazy, dude. You're a bad man.
Yeah, most of the time it's here, and I'm late. It's late at night when I'm doing all this.
Right. This is the piece you've cut. You've already cut some stuff out of already.
That's for the fuel cell.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
so this is that aluminum, right?
Stainless.
This is stainless. Okay,
Yeah.
stainless.
I can do aluminum, but man, I'm not great at it, so I just stay away from it.
So I see you got looks like is that a positive cable or something?
That's the ground clamp.
That's the ground clamp. Okay.
Let's say this throws a spark. It throws a spark and then pressurized there.
Okay.
And then that creates the full circuit, and then it pierces through it. Plasma comes out when you mix electricity and oxygen,
right,
or air. It creates plasma.
Gotcha. And that's the same thing. That's kind of the same concept with the welder too, right? With
same thing.
Okay.
Same concept.
Same concept, yeah. And I know you got MIG and TIG, and isn't there a third one? I know it's MIG, TIG, and something else, right?
MIG, TIG, stick, and then you got flux core.
Okay.
And there's a bunch of others.
Yeah.
I only do MIG and TIG.
Okay. Which one requires the most skill?
I would say TIG.
TIG.
Yeah.
And that's the most unforgiving?
Not really. The main thing with it is prep.
Okay.
If you prep everything nice,
right,
it's easier to weld. If you shortcut and leave it dirty, you're gonna have a hard time.
Gotcha.
So 90% is prep, 10% is skill.
Makes sense. Yeah. Well, you're talented, brother. I'm glad we met. Our G body here, laying frame all the way on the belly. She is down. That thing is sweet. 2415s. So you did a custom fuel cell for this one, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm working on.
That's what you're working on, yeah. Custom fuel cell. Man, that thing is all the way down. Whew. That rear wheel is just ridiculous on this car. I mean, it's ridiculous on a truck, but on a car, it's just insane. It's just insane, man. Yeah, I'm almost afraid to ask what it costs him to do that. I know. Oh boy, that's just crazy. Wow. All right, guys, so we got our update. Truck is looking great. I'm excited where we are in the process. But thanks for checking in again with me today. I appreciate your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. And of course, also like this video for me as well, guys. All right, we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.